Set up Drive for Desktop for your organization. Sign in to your Google Admin Console and go to Menu, Apps, Google Workspace, Drive and Docs, Google Drive for Desktop. Optional. To apply the setting only to some users, at the side, select an organizational unit, often used for departments, or configuration group, Advanced. Group settings override organizational units. Click Enable Drive for Desktop. To turn on Drive for Desktop, check the Allow Google Drive for Desktop in your organization box. To allow access only on authorized devices, check the Only Allow Google Drive for Desktop on Authorized Devices box. To allow Google Drive on the web to promote installing Drive for Desktop to users, check the Show Google Drive for Desktop download link box. Users must have admin privileges on their computers to install. To allow users to see who's editing shared Microsoft Office files, check the Allow Users to Enable Real-Time Presence in Microsoft Office from Google Drive for Desktop box. Click Save, or, you might click Override for an organizational unit. To later restore the inherited value, click Inherit, or Unset for a group. Optional. Click Syncing Options. To allow users to sync folders to Google Drive, check the Allow Users to Sync Local Folders to Drive box. To allow users to use Mirror Sync for their My Drive directory, check the Allow Users to Mirror My Drive box. To allow users to back up photos and videos from their device to Google Photos, check the Allow Users to Back Up Photos and Videos to Google Photos box. Note: photos and videos backed up to Photos and Drive will be uploaded twice and will use more storage. To allow users to back up files and folders from external media like USB drives, cameras, and phones, check the Allow Users to Back Up Files and Folders from External Media box. Click Save, or, you might click Override for an organizational unit. To later restore the inherited value, click Inherit, or Unset for a group.